Hello lovely people, this is Jessica from DFB Properties. It's a joy to be with you one more time. Once again, I bring you this captivating, stunning 4-bedroom house with a staff quarters and a security post at the Adenta municipality. This facility is sitting on the land title documentation with a size of 35 by 90 with a lease of 99 years. I must say honestly that our impression on this house on our first day of visit was that of an underestimation. But after a 360 tour of this house and everything in there got us blown away. We came to the realization that this house has got better POP works, quality durable materials, strong doors, better and quality kitchen fittings, a good location especially for those wanting to purchase for real estate businesses. Absolutely, purchasing this house for real estate investment wouldn't be bad at all, because it's just about 100 yards away from the third road. It is also connected with 24/7 Ghana water in a serene and a conducive residential area. On your screens is the master bedroom. In fact, I just love the touch. I just love the feeling being in the master bedroom. Durable works, everything was done to perfection. So I just spent quality time. I spent a lot of time in this master bedroom for one to get a sense and a feeling of the quality that the developer put into this particular house. Well, that's all time will allow us. Thank you for your company. If you're interested in this house, call the numbers on your screen and follow and subscribe for more updates on this and other amazing houses. Thank you.